Welcome to Chakra International. I am Nilamata speaking. This is Civil Service Main Examination General Study Paper 1 Sociology on subject Unity in Diversity. India has known religious diversity, linguistic diversity, racial diversity, caste diversity, and cultural diversity. Within this diversity, unity is there. You check the data, social sector and economy sector, but primary, secondary, tertiary, education, health, what is the growth on 15th August 1947, what is the growth on 10th September 2022. Everywhere, India as a force is recognized. So unity in diversity in India is there, but still due to unity, India's growth in all sectors, both social and economy, is worldwide recognized. India as a force, as a social force or economic force in the world today. But what are the factors leading? Because the most important factors, the Constitution India builder, they collected all the good points of all throughout the world and make a constitution as per the requirement of India. That is the main thing. Constitution of India is the first page in unity and diversity in India. What is preamble? Justice, liberty, equality, secular, and fraternity. And this preamble is a part of the Indian Constitution and Kesananda Bharati case. Second, fundamental right. Because why fundamental right is important? Because an individual capability can make India in a great force, both social sector and economic sector. Because you see one software, 5 or 10 people in software sector giving employment to virtually in all engineering colleges. So individual right is required to protect the individual talent. Fundamental right, okay. But directive principle there, because directive principle is not enforceable because due to the financial resource in government, still it is required because it, as per the Kesananda Bharati case, fundamental right, directive principle are the conscience of the Constitution. So, Article 32, 226 moved to Supreme Court or High Court for protection of right. Certain provision directive 38, 39, 41, 42, 43, 46. And what is the problem? Because unemployment is a big problem and education in the lower category people, because economy empowerment and education of half not can reduce the capacity of divisive forces to inspire inhabitants to go towards extreme way. Indian Constitution and faith in judiciary act as a strong repellent for divisive forces to spread negative ideas among the people of India. So, unity in diversity, India is clearly visible. Still, India is a major power in social and economic sector. With this, the present company like it, subscribe, put the bell icon. Thank you.